Alright, so Man U play Southampton Saturday. The games them just finished and finally I get to put out my thoughts on the weekend. First of all, it was a nice series of games. Everton's win it nice. Kinda glad Arsenal and Tottenham draw still, but to the meat of the matter, Manchester United versus Southampton. Man U lose 1-1. It's basically how I see it. It was a 1-1 loss. Should have put the game to bed a long time ago. We're not creating any chances. That's the biggest thing. Manchester United not creating any chances at all. And the reason for that is because of the formation that we're playing. So Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is making drastic changes to the team, which is okay. But I feel like you need the formation you play has to suit the personnel that you have. We didn't make any changes in terms of adding players into the top third and the attacking third of our team over the summer. So why change the way we were playing last year? We have the same personnel. Why not keep the same team? And by that I mean, why are we moving away from 4-3-3 to 4-2-3-1? We don't have the team to play it. We don't have a number 10 right there in the middle that can be creating anything, pushing the ball left, right, moving the ball as fast as possible. We don't have that player in our team. We don't have a Dybala or a Bruno Fernandes who can link up and score goals at the same time. We don't have that. So why are you making a team around a set of players? So you're making a formation on a set of players that you don't have. Stick to what we have. We have Fred, McTominay, Matic that can play holding midfield. Put two of them in there, have Pogba play on the left side of midfield. It's that simple. And then play 4-3-3. Marshall in the middle, Rashford on either side, Daniel James on either side. Lingard should be in his bed, not even on the bench, in his bed. And I said that before, and I will continue to say so. You understand? Lingard should not be playing in this team, so he shouldn't even be on the bench. I know he didn't start, but he shouldn't be on the bench. That's a spot that Angel Gomez could take up. If you're gonna have a team with a number 10, a 4-2-3-1, then you should be playing Angel Gomez, because I think he's ready. Shit, he couldn't be doing any worse than what we have going on right now. So the point that I'm making right now is, hey, let's be smart about what we're doing. So you have a week, 1 week now, a week. Matter of fact, 2 weeks. International break, Marshall recover, Shaw recover. We still try to figure out how we can get rid of Ashley Young. Find a way, please, to bring back the 4-3-3 Solskjaer. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, bring back the 4-3-3.